I want you to open the box. Inside, you will find plastic bags with different colors. I want you to think at one of the colors and take it out. Now put the blocks on the floor. Open the plastic bag with two ends and think on the color. Now I want you to count to 10 slowly, and both of us will turn to the audience at the same time. Start count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh wait, start from the beginning.
1, 2, 3.
Slowly.
1, 2,
Yeah, now it's good.
3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you.